in an own the room voice say, hello YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
Pause. I do. Everybody grab your pencils, put them inside the desk. Eyes on the board. This is subtraction. My first subtraction, again, I look at the ones place. But, eyes on the board, please. And I subtract 5. When I say 5, I'm talking about the top 5. 5, take away 5. 5 take away 5, and I get, thank you. Then I look at the next column and I say 6 take away 9. Raise your hand if you can do 6 take away 9. I'm not saying if you can do this problem, if you can do 6 take away 9. Chanel, what is 6 take away 9? The little number is supposed to be on the bottom. Can anybody do 6 take away 9? Some people might have learned how to do 6 take away 9. Yes?
What I was taught was we turn the 6 into a 16.
That is true for this problem that's on the board. But I'm asking 6 take away 9. Does anybody know about, give me a thumbs up for negative numbers. 6 take away 9 is negative 3. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. We're going to get into it later. This is not 6 take away 9. This is 865 take away 195. So this is not 6 take away 9. We can actually borrow from the next place value. So that's what I'm going to do now. Instead of taking away from 6, I'm going to cross the 8 out and make this 16. And I put it right here, so it's 1 and a 6, 9 and 16. If you're having trouble looking at that, check this out. I can do it like this. 16, and I'll cross off the 6. 16 take away 9. Who can do 16 take away 9? Ariel. Send them some love. Seven. Now I do 1, and that 1 comes down here. What mistake did I just make? Shana.
You put one number supposed to be on top of one, top off another, and make it one less number.
So the 1, I make it 1 less, it's 7. The 1 that I make it 1 less gets put over here. That 1 right there, plus that 7 is 8. So the 16 is actually coming from the 8. 1 is moving over here, making the 16, and this is 7. So now 7 minus 1 is 6. And my answer is 670. Everybody take your pencils out and copy this down. When you're done, give me a thumbs up. Waiting for one more. Pass on me. Waiting for 2 cats. We're going to the weed. Who can tell me the first thing I need to do on the we do. Gregory.
Subtract 74.
And you get what?
I get 4. I get 3.
I have a question. How come I didn't need to carry? How come I didn't need to borrow? Deshaun.
Because the 7 is bigger than 4.
Excellent. 7 take away 4. Everybody say 7 take away 4.
7 take away 4.
You can do that. Next. Everybody say 6 take away 8.
6 take away 8.
You can tell me what to do here. Jason. You said you're correct, but you said it incorrect. Try again.
Turn the 6 into 16. Subtract 6 to 8.
Everybody do this. Pick up your pencil, change the 6 into a 16. But that 1 that got written next to the 6 comes from the 9, so it becomes an 8. The 9 becomes an 8, and the 6 becomes a 16. Everybody say the 9 becomes an 8.
The 9 becomes an 8.
The 6 becomes a 16.
The 6 becomes a 16.
Stay with me. Okay. What is 16 minus 8? Think. Think first. So when I call on you, I want you to tell me the answer. 16 minus 8. Tracy.
7. 6.
8. One way to think about this is 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 16 take away 8 is equal to 8. Who can do the last one? What's the name? Who can tell me the answer? Because it looks a little weird up here. Tyler.
88. The answer is 83.
You just ignore the 0 up front. The answer is 83. Excellent job. Do the y'all do at your table. When you're done, raise your hand and you might earn the iPad. Ready? Y'all do. You got to make sure you and your partner have the same answer. Go. 10. I've got 1 hand raised. I've got 2. You and your partner both need to raise their hand. So, that's 2. So in one group I saw a 2. If you got a 2, do it again. An 8 looks right. A 2, do it again. Right. Pause. Chanel and Diego, who should write? Point to who should write on the iPad. Okay. What do you think? So I asked Tracy and Jalen the same question. They both said that they should be the ones who's writing, so I don't want to make them upset. Eyes up here. Go ahead and write the answer on the bottom. up here. Nice and straight. Oh, my goodness. Here we go. Eyes up here. Look at the board. What did you do? Okay. Too late, too late. I'm going to write it up. It's too late. Who's got the answer? If we can't do the technology quickly, then I've got to do it. Tracy. Answer. Why would a knucklehead get a 2 in the first place? Why would a knucklehead get a 2 up here? Deshaun.
Because you get a 2 because when you on the 6 minus because 7
Yeah.
because 7 minus 5 equals 2.
7 minus 5 equals 2. But that's not what this says. This says 5 take away 7. Not 7 take away 5. 5 take away 7. Do the you do. You have 10 seconds. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go. Write the answer. Watch what he's doing on the board. Watch what he's doing on the board. Brianna, you're missing it. Raise your hand if you got 296. Okay. Eyes on me. How many problems do I need to do before I move on? Hey, that's an interruption. That's going to be $1 for interrupting the entire class. Please control yourself. Everybody else, or everybody all together, who can tell me what is